Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on AEO versus SEO. In this video, we are diving into one of the most important digital marketing battles of our time. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini reshaping how users search and voice assistants like Alexa and Siri answering questions instantly, the traditional SEO alone is no longer enough. That's where answer engine optimization comes in, which is designed to give you direct voice-ready answers that users want fast. So if you want to know more about it, watch this video till the end. But before we move on, just a quick info guys. Simplilearn has got postgraduate program in digital marketing in collaboration with Purdue University. You can become a certified digital marketer with the help of this course. You will learn, create and promote your own website via live interactive learning. We're going to master basic and advanced digital marketing skills via student simulations, 10 plus case studies, 20 plus projects. And also, you're going to learn about ChatGPT and 35 plus digital marketing tools. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So let us start with first understanding what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a practice of enhancing a website's visibility in search engine result pages to attract organic, which we say non-paid traffic. When users search for information, products or services online, search engines like Google scan billions of pages to deliver most relevant results to us. So SEO helps your website appear higher in those rankings by optimizing various elements such as keywords, meta tags, headings, backlinks, and content quality. There are three components of SEO guys. That is on-page SEO, meaning optimizing content and HTML structure. Then there is off-page SEO, like building links and authority. And then there is technical SEO, ensuring your site is fast, secure, and mobile friendly. SEO is crucial for digital marketing because higher visibility leads to increased website traffic, brand awareness, and conversions. Unlike paid ads, SEO brings sustainable long-term results when implemented effectively. So SEO helps businesses connect with the right audience at the right time through meaningful and valuable content. So in short, this is what exactly is SEO. Now, let us move ahead and try to understand what is AEO. So guys, AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. It is a process of optimizing content to provide direct, concise answers to user queries, especially through AI-powered tools like voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and etc. So unlike traditional SEO, which focuses on driving users to website via search engine rankings, AEO aims to deliver instant, voice-friendly responses that don't always require visiting a web page. AEO involves structuring content using schema markups, FAQs, and conversational formats so that AI systems can easily extract and understand the information. It's designed to satisfy users who prefer quick answers, like those using smart speakers or mobile devices without needing to scroll through the search results. Now, AEO is becoming essential as voice search grows and AI becomes more embedded in how people access information. So guys, by focusing on clarity, context, and structure, AEO is actually helping businesses stay visible in the AI-powered answer-first search environment. So this was a short sum up of what exactly is SEO and what is AEO. Now, let us discuss some of the core differences of AEO and SEO based on certain parameters. So guys, our first parameter is objective and core goal. If I talk about SEO, the goal of SEO is actually to increase organic traffic to a website by making it rank higher on the search engine result pages. And SEO helps a user to find variety of web pages related to their typed query. For example, if I say if someone searches digital marketing tips, so SEO ensures your blog post appears on page 1 of the Google. So that's the objective of SEO is. Now, if I talk about AEO, which is Answer Engine Optimization, it focuses on providing direct, immediate answers to users' questions without them needing to click on multiple links. It is optimized for AI systems like voice assistants and chatbots that pull answers directly from the structured content. For example, like if someone asks, what are the 3 digital marketing tips for beginners? Now, Siri or ChatGPT may read out your FAQ or snippet if AEO is properly implemented. The next goal that we have all over here is content format and structure. So if I talk about SEO guys, it relies on long form content with strategic keyword placement. So here content must be informative, detailed and media rich, meaning images, videos, etc. Now it also represents important elements such as meta titles and description, what are the keyword headings, are there any backlinks, and also the internal linkings. Similarly, if we discuss about content format and structure for AEO, it is kind of conversational, scannable and structured for machines. Basically, it focuses on FAQ pages, featured snippets. People also ask type answers, and there is a schema markup like FAQs, how to, product organization, etc. The next one, let us talk about, it is one of the most important thing, which is user experience and interaction. If I talk about SEO guys, users manually type keyword, scroll results, click links and explore content. So it is best for exploratory searches, comparison and in-depth learning, which is basically we're talking about SEO. So the user flow will be something like this: Google, read snippet, click the blog, and then you read the article. Now, if I talk about AEO guys, here users ask conversational or voice-based queries. Best for fast to the point answers. No need for multiple click or page navigation. Now here the user flow will be something like this. There will be a voice or chat prompt, and then there will be instant spoken text or answer. So that's how AEO works. Now let us discuss about our final point, which is keyword strategy and search intent. Basically, if I talk about SEO guys, keywords are usually short and typed. For example, like buying running shoes online. So it focuses on exact match, long tail keyword and variations. Now if I talk about AEO guys, here the keywords are natural question based and longer. Example like what are the best running shoes for long distance runner? And it is optimized for spoken language and user intent. Now, if I sum up all of this, so I come up with certain performance metrics. So SEO basically focuses on organic traffic, page views, bounce rate, time on site, conversion rate, and ranking position. So if you're not familiar with SEO, then look out for digital marketing full course on Simplilearn, where we have covered all these metric points. Now, similarly, if I talk about the AEO metrics, there are snippet placements, voice search visibility, AI chatbot appearance frequency, and also direct answer accuracy is there. So this is how we judge based on the metrics, like how SEO is performing and how AEO is performing. So in short guys, this was the core difference between AEO and SEO. Now let us move ahead and discuss about how SEO and AEO can work together. But before that, let's have a use case comparison. So for example, I have built a use case comparison, like there is industry, healthcare, e-commerce, finance and travel. And suppose you type in SEO example, okay, then there will be an AEO example. So suppose if I talk about healthcare, so you would see something like blogs on symptoms of flu. And similarly, AEO is going to give you the voice answer for the same. What are the early symptoms of flu? So this is how you interact. Similarly, you just type product pages for shoes, and here you search it on chatbot, like what shoes are best for gym workouts. Similarly, if I talk about finance, so you could say guide on how to save taxes. You would search on Google something like this. But if you say to Siri, like how to save tax under ATC, so this is an income tax code. Okay. Now, similarly for travel, you could see blog on top travel destination, and here where I can go for budget vacation in April. So I could say there is slight variation, but end result you are getting like what you want at the end of the day. So as discussed based on this example, I hope so you would have got the core difference between SEO and AEO. And as I was telling earlier, we will move forward to understand how both of them can work together. So guys, if I say like while SEO, search engine optimization, and AEO, which is standing for answer engine optimization, may seem like separate strategies, but they actually complement each other beautifully when implemented together. Think of this way guys, like SEO attracts users to your website, and AEO answers their questions in real time through voice assistant or AI tools. And together they are ensuring that your content is discoverable and usable across both search engines and AI platforms. Now, let us discuss about our first parameter, which is serve different user behaviors. So basically, SEO targets users who browse, explore, and read articles. And AEO targets users who want quick voice-based or conversational answers. For example, if I have to say like an SEO optimized blog, maybe title something like this: 10 best laptops for students in 2025. An AU optimized FAQ might answer, what is the best laptop under 50,000 for students? Both help, but in different formats. The next thing is shared content and different presentation. So guys, you don't need separate websites for SEO and AEO. Instead, create one piece of content and structure it to serve both purposes. SEO strategy, it is a long-form keyword-rich blog or guide, whereas AEO strategy could include short summaries, bullet point answers, and FAQs within the same content. Now, there is some tip which I would like to give you. Like, you can use the same blog to rank on Google and show up voice answers by embedding structured FAQs. The third one is structured data. So, schema markup, or we say structured data, is key to helping both search engines and AI will understand your content. If I talk about SEO benefit, it improves how your content is displayed on search engine results like rich snippets, ratings, and FAQs. Where AEO benefits, like it makes it easier for voice assistants to pull the exact answer and speak it loud. So this is how we talk about the structured data. And finally, we talk about optimization. So you can optimize SEO keywords like buy affordable DSLR cameras in India, or AEO keywords could be like which DSLR is best under 50,000 in India. And your content strategy, try to target both short form and natural language queries, which will definitely help you. Now, finally, let us discuss about our future trends. So if I talk about future trends of 2025 AEO versus SEO, so like as we are moving into digital era, both SEO and AEO are evolving rapidly actually. The traditional SEO will continue to play a vital role, and AEO will become indispensable as users increasingly interact with search platforms through voice commands, smart assistants, and AI chatbots. Now, the first thing which I am pretty much confident that voice search will surge. Like with the rise of smart devices like Amazon, Alexa, Google Nest, and Apple Siri, voice search is set to dominate user behavior. So there's a data like over 50% of online searches are expected to be voice-based by 2025. Users will favor quick, hands-free answers, especially on mobile and in smart homes. Businesses must be optimized for conversational queries and natural language to stay relevant. The next is AI chatbots. So AI chatbots will be the first touch points. So like AI power tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Cloud AI are becoming the first choice for users seeking information. Then there is a rise of structured data and schema markup. Google and AI assistants will rely heavily on structured data to understand and present the content. So the businesses using schema markup, for example, FAQ page, product, or like how to. So it will gain a huge advantage in this scenario. Whereas structured content will also appear more often in rich results, knowledge panels, or voice answers. The next, this is amazing trend guys, mobile first and AI ready content. With mobile users surpassing desktops and AI being integrated into messaging apps and mobile browsers, so the content must be mobile friendly, fast loading, and voice compatible. Google's mobile first indexing means desktop only sites will fall behind. And finally, there will be a blend of SEO plus AU strategies. So 2025 is not about choosing between SEO and AU. It's about combining them. So SEO will drive visibility in search engines, and AU will ensure that you're present in AI answers and voice searches. The future of digital search is multimodal and AI first. This is the first thing I would like to say. And to stay competitive in 2025 and beyond, marketers must embrace voice-first experiences, use AI-friendly formats, merge SEO and AEO strategies to be everywhere. And finally, merge SEO and AEO strategies to be everywhere the user is, whether it's a browser, a chatbot, or smart speaker. So guys, that was all about SEO versus AEO. I hope so you would have got a brief idea regarding this, and also you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching this.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.